sketch the graph of piecewise defined function, most of the time I would just call this a piecewise function. So what is piecewise function? For example, the first function f of x that is equals to two pieces. The first piece is x plus 6. The domain of x plus 6 is x less than or equals to negative 4. What that means is x plus 6, the linear function, lives in x less than or equal to negative 4. The other piece is also a linear function, 1/2 x minus 4, x is greater than or equal to 4. The way I sketch piecewise function is two things. One, know the shape. So let's say linear function x plus 6. You should, in your mind, you should know what the x plus 6 looks like. It's a straight line, slope equals to 1, y-intercept is a 6. The line is going uphill, increasing. And then the second line is also increasing. The slope is 1/2. The y-intercept is negative 4. But how do you start? What is the first step? The first step is always the most difficult, right? So if you don't know what to start on a graphing problem, choose some x value. So this case, I will just know the shape. That is the first key. And then the second key is use table value to guide me through. What that means is, let's say when x is equals to negative 4, I should not make the pencil bold. X is equals to negative 4 because I am taking this, right? Let equals to negative 4, and then you have negative 4 plus 6 equals to 2. So your first point is negative 4 comma 2, right? So negative 4 comma positive 2 is right over here. Negative 4 comma 2. And then when x is equals to negative 5 plus 6, that is equals to 1, negative 5 comma 1. So negative 5 comma 1. And then when x is equals to 6, negative 6, we have negative 6 plus 6 equals to 0, negative 6 comma 0. So we have negative 6 comma 0. Now I am using these 2 points to guide me through. What else do I know? I know that the slope is equals to 1. And then this is positive, so the line is increasing. Increasing means the line should go like that, increasing, right? So the slope is equals to 1. Using the rise over run, the pattern is this. So I show a line that looks like that. And then here is the first piece, x plus 6. So it's increasing. And then x, the function lives when x is less than or equal to negative 4. So there should be nothing right over here. So when x is greater than negative 4, I will match the color code, change to a different color. So that one, I will pick x equals to negative 4. Then you might ask me, hey, that is not right. That is so wrong. Because there is no equal, then you should not pick negative 4. You are absolutely right. I should not pick negative 4, but I am going to make a note right here. I will do it anyway. So negative 4. 1/2 times negative 4 minus 4. So that is what? That is negative 2, right? Minus 4, which is equals to negative 6. So when x is equals to negative 4, y is equals to negative 6, you are still saying that no. X cannot be equal to negative 4. I agree with you. So that's why I said that this must be an open circle. So when x is equals to negative 4, y is equals to negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6, negative 4, negative 6. This is an open circle. Open circle. I didn't use a solid circle. Keep moving. X is equals to negative 6. We have what do we have? We have 1/2 times negative 6 minus 4. That is negative 7, right? So when x is equals to negative 6, y is equals to negative 7. So when x is equals to, greater than, greater than. Why do I pick a negative 6? Negative 2. Negative 2, so this will be a negative 2, right? So this will be a negative 2, then that will be a something else. Why do I pick a negative 6? X is equals to negative 2, so you have a negative 1 minus 4, that is equals to negative 5. So negative 5, and then when x is equals to negative 2, y is equals to negative 5. So this is a negative 5. And then do you see the slope is rise of the slope is 1/2. Let's just do one more. When x is equals to 0, you have 1/2 times 0 minus 4, which is equals to negative 4. I think 3 points is more helpful compared to 2 points. So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. And you also see the rise over run, right? So the rise over run is, so this is the run, and then this is the rise. 2 units to the right, and then 1 unit up. So that is your rise over run. So now you have 3 points to assist you. So all you have to do is you line them up and then make sure you have the slope correct. Alrighty, that's it. So don't forget to say that the slope is equals to positive 1/2. This is positive, so therefore the line is increasing. Alright, so that is the first graph. Moving on to the next graph, I will match the color code for you. So the next graph, 4 plus x is a straight line, positive slope. X less than or equal to 2, got it. So I will just pick when x is equals to 2. You have 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So we have a 2 comma 6. When x is equals to 1, you have a 4 plus 1 equals to 5. You have a 1 comma 5. When x is equals to 0, you have a 4 plus 0 equals to 0. X equal 4 plus 0 equals to 0. That is ridiculous. You have a 0 comma 4. Plot them. So 2 comma 6. So when x is equals to 2, this is a 4, this is 2, 4, 6. So 6, 2, 6. And then when x is equals to 1, you have a 5, right? X equals to 0, you have a 4. So clearly, this is a slope equals to, what is the slope equals to? The slope is equals to positive 1. So the slope is positive 1, is going uphill, then this is what the graph looks like. Alright, so that is your 4 plus x when x is less than or equal to 2. How about x greater than 2? Match the color code first. When x is greater than 2, I will just pick x greater equals to 2, and then we will argue this one more time. There is no equal, but why did you pick an equal? Let's do it first. 2 squared plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 8. So when x is equals to 4 plus 2 is 8. Oh, come on. 6. Jesus. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 6. And then I will just mark this is an open circle. So when x is equals to 2, y equals to 6. So we have an open circle right there. We will do that in a minute. And then x is equals to 3. 3 squared plus 2, that is equals to 11, right? So when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 11. So when x is equals to 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So right over here. So we have an open circle, but hey, what do? We have an open circle on top of a solid circle. Then we just keep that solid circle, and then we draw a parabola that looks like this. Just make that look like a curve. I know it is hard to tell, right? So just make that look like a curve, and then it will just look like that. Maybe I should just like do this and then draw an arrow. Just parabola. So this is a x squared plus 2, and then once again we have an open circle on top of a parabola. On top of a solid circle, we keep the solid circle anyway. Let's say I want you to do a function evaluation when x is equals to 2, then you will use the yellow function, the yellow piece. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, then you have a solid dot right over here. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 6. So we keep the solid dot. Okay, so we have 2 graphs done in this video. That's it. If you like it, give me a like, share, subscribe. Meet you all in the next one. Signing out as always.